Avantika, what's up? Finally we are meeting. How are you?
I'm good. So nice to meet you. I'm so excited to get my makeup done by you. Yes. I absolutely love a celebrity's look, and the celebrity is Deepika Padukone.
Of course.
So her coal eyes is something that I absolutely love. So
my friend did it and she was like, Deepika wanted that kind of a cool look.
Yes.
And I'm really excited to do the look on you also.
Same here.
Let's start?
Let's
Chalo, any changes for now? Yes, right? For
yes.
YouTube.
Yes.
Let's do the changes. Are you changed? No.
No, I'm just going to wear my robe and I'm going to come out.
Shooting this now, no? Ari.
No!
Oh my god!
Thank you. Pastel colors, this is the maximum pastel I have. Like what a clown is walking around. So now we are going for a segment which is what is in my bag, and these are my favorite products which is there for very long, and I'm so excited for the reel. So if you guys haven't seen the reel, go and check out the reel right away on SSBeauty channel and you guys can see what's in my bag. So now we have done some reels, super excited, I have some change. The problem is I put on so much of weight, so thank you guys for giving me this amazing shirt, I loved it. Now another loser outfit. I need to diet. I need to diet very badly. It's time for SSBeauty. I'm so excited. My first tutorial on a bridal look for SSBeauty in 2023. So let's go and do it. Your eyes look nice and open and fresh. And soul also.
I'm going to ask you, how does a bride choose her makeup artist for the wedding?
Okay.
Then I'm
Cost me. There's no other question. Should I just do it myself? Yeah, okay, just go on my Instagram, Shaan.
Yeah, you can say that. We can keep
I like to mix all these colors together because it's really beautiful and soft, and as a bride, of course, you need that little color. Yes. So I like to start it from here and bring it, and even bring a little bit on the apple of the cheeks, because of course, who doesn't want that naturally beautiful color, right?
Yes, I'm going to be a blushing bride.
Exactly.
So I'm going to go get ready super quickly. BRB. Wonderful, I think so pretty, and thanks to Shaan, he's done such a fabulous job. I think this is such a good interpretation of Deepika Padukone's look, and yes, I couldn't be happier.
I'm done for today. It was such an exciting day, and especially creating the bridal, the celebrity bridal look on Avantika was so much of fun. Stay tuned with more videos, and don't forget to comment more videos with me. See you! To wrap